Them. Father God, I make them fight me so hard. I lucky thing send me no coward. I lucky thing me put me trust in the Lord. Them want me fi dead in the mark like dog. They work and them get no reward, no Lord. No me. Oh, but work and them get no reward. Blessed my fanatics, my folks, and my audience all over the world. You see me? Bless upon yourself. I saw Gully Mansion. Gully Mansion. My fanatics, my folks, my audience, all over the world, big up on yourself. Father God, I make them fight my channel so hard, like how them fight Movado so hard, and they get to you them so hard. You understand? And who did rate the baker before the baker come be a faker? You understand? Who did rate the baker before the baker was a faker? You understand? Me was one of them you that will rate the baker. Me I say, oh, the baker come out and say them something about the gully. You see me? So all of the people them will feel like say the baker is rink, and you would never take his apology. On the leave on the comments down below. You understand what I'm saying, Father? Mother, my brother them out there, all I'm over the fan them want to sound off you sit make me stammer man in a comment box, man. John know man don't have to left a comment about this. Who did rate the baker before it was a faker? You understand? Cause if you get information about things, you can't just jump up your mouth on internet and gone. Me say me see news and the news almost make me cry. Me know it was a lie. But me never prefer to never even give no reply. Cause I know say it was a lie. You understand? The man them is a liar. You understand? View seeking vultures. You understand? And anything man and man have to deal with, go deal with that over phone or deal with it that one on the see each other. I want to go on here now. Me I tell you say, yo, me did rate the baker before it was a faker. You understand? What you talk about? The man come fake and I come apologize after you come mix up the man in some other might business. No, Papa. I hear this, I know my people, my fanatics, my folks, my audience. The man in a bridging. And him style up the man want access certain way where you know say that a Jamaica you come from, you style up man certain way and they sitting there, you know, my yo. You sitting damage people thing in a bridging. Because look you know, I put up a video with me, I say, yo, Movado or Cartel, you understand? And they come like say enough and Movado fan them all afraid for y'all just like up. Probably because then they find up on the internet and I listen to all them foolishness the way Baker say. Happy say Baker boy the other day and then the Baker just come be a faker. You understand? So now tell me what you think, you understand, is the Baker a faker? Or did the baker get wrong information? But either way, if it spread and smear man name across the internet like that, like us from this same thing when your man used to eat and drink together. How do you feel about that, my people? How would you feel about that if you have a bridging around you? And then you don't know, say, I'm going to flex a beer woman and not say, I want to think that. All of a sudden, and the man might fall out over a certain circumstance. And the man will come try show people and a style you up, say, like, say, you might have gone out some other way and some sitting. You understand? You know, say, we are all in sitting there, I know, saying a lie. And that's why I don't know where the vlog never get a reply. And we did know say a lie. You understand, Bridget? And see it now, man, have to near me word. You understand? Eat him, have to eat back him word. You understand? I'm not afraid to come talk up more while. Listen me, come here and say, yo, can I eat that thing that? And as a sensible youth out here in a vlog world, as a YouTuber, me don't know in a bridging. Me know say that thing I not catch up with him in a bridging. Yeah, me know say that thing I not catch up with him. You understand? So I never say nothing. So you understand? Me happy to say man have to near me word. You see me? You understand? Me say me happy when me see Baker. Yo, listen. When me hear say the Baker, yeah, man sticks it in a Baker nose and the Baker just goes so. He no do nothing more than just wheel off and just start to bake it. Me rating it, but the man, yo, all our ratings gone to blood clean. Everybody who did rate the Baker before it was a fake, and they left a comment. Don't tell me what really good. Where the bomb burn? Me say, now make the other worker them getting a reward. No, Lord. No, Lord. You understand? And so far, so good, master. I'm over them, I don't know what kind of island and blessing, and I don't know what kind of blessing they upon you, master. But them can't find the dirt on you and them can't catch you. You understand? So God bless you, God go with you. You understand? The gully boss. You understand? Big up yourself to Ross. You understand what I mean? I mean, I tell you, no amount of apology can't fix this. But don't tell me what you think, my people. You understand? Me just say, boy, bombard. Me just put some sitting out there and see which one of them want to think. Because you know, you look on it, you know, right? You know, right? A blood clean. Hold on them, my people. Hold on them. I tell you, my land. Yes, me people, me make sure I say, oh, and just before me go out, me make sure I say, hey, drop on my glasses. Me didn't want to drop on my glasses all one, me I do that video just to look cool, you know. But me I tell her, say, oh, just to show me, yeah, for sure, say, oh, I'm not afraid of no guy. You understand? I'm not afraid of a boy. You understand what I mean? You understand what I say, people? We are good people, you know, but they're afraid of the guy. You understand? I went time man can talk shit up on the internet. I have to apologize based on false information. You understand what I'm saying? You can't come make some serious allegation about people's life and this thing you call the internet. You see me? As when me saying enough from my video, not because you can just come chat where you want. You feel just blah 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 and I run off more like a blood cleat. Some lashy. Father God, I make them fight the man so hard. Lucky things I'm more than a coward. And lucky things I put we just that the Lord. You come like a the blessing from the Lord, I bless up the man. You understand? Make people have to back them word. You understand what I mean, yeah? So who thinks that the bakers are fake? I don't just leave on the blood click comment down there. So who do feel like say who never take no apology back from him, no matter how much you could apologize to 12 angel and 2 God, you wouldn't take back no apology from him for this a certain way. Especially because you're him in a friend. And especially because he make him man look like some other might thing. You understand? And even though we know say I did lie, you understand? That's why we never give no reply. We know say alright then boom. You understand, brethren? Yeah? So all of the man them where say oh give the wrong information, you better call them out and make we know them is who then. If you prove yourself, say boy I true, you talk Mr. Baker, you understand? Because right now the internet social media things say you is a faker. You understand what I'm saying? Now that's on the thing, people. You understand? Left in the comments if I that on the thing. Zing, because over here so a mutual ground and the boy can ramp with mutual ground. Over here so a jug ground. Anybody say where the boy say, cause we do this in the day of entertainment. Big up the gully god every time, yeah? One up on them boy there, you see me? Bless up. Oh, you understand? Can't believe that the baker turned out to be a faker. John no story. And all who born said the baker turned out to be a faker. But don't let a like and comment on them thing there, Bridget. Because when I see Baker, I say, yo, Baker come from big news and make it. I say, yo, proud that the man said the man defend himself in a certain bad situation or whatever. And look at this now. Look at it now. Look at it now, you know. You know. Our guan, you know. You understand 2020 depends on madness, you know. Bless upon yourself, my people, my fanatics, my audience, my folks. All over the world. They don't know it's set. And the fantastic world star, you see me? I don't know I want to some of the people them to blood clean. You understand them things that they can upload anything by internet, you know what I mean? You have to do the thing in the name of entertainment. Do it tastefully somehow. Deal with the thing proper, Bridget. I don't even like none of that way they can deal with it. The whole of that not nice. The whole of that not right. You understand? You need 12 dozen apology. You understand? I know them the apology them. Me even hear yeah, me even I say nothing. People no left for the thing, yeah, sir. Jesus, what a can't mix up ghetto youth in a certain talk. Because Jamaica have sitting one time, sitting no gossip, close to gossip, you understand? So do not do them things there on the internet to nobody, everybody on the learning the lesson from this and mania. Yeah, up and running. You understand, Bridget? Left on the subs and things, just see me comments and things out. John No Star.